busy world as we carry on now with the Sounds of Soul.
Well, man, this is Camp Bay. I didn't recognise that bit, but I did recognise this bit.
That girl, by the way, she is leaving out with a black set here.
There aren't any here, man. Don't believe me.
She's lying, girl. She's lying.
It's as windy as it sounds. This is still Camp Bay.